a highly productive manufacturing system that offers maximum productivity in the tightest of spaces. The VL3 Duo offers its own parts storage, 2 workspaces with tool turrets with 12 tool stations, and 2 pickup spindles, making it a high-performance lathe for fast and precise machining.
Our water-cooled motor spindles delivers 32 kilowatt power in combination with 255 Newton-meter torque at 40% duty cycle. In combination with a very massive polymer concrete bed, we deliver a very stable turning process. The VL3 Duo comes in standard with an automation tunnel in which we can integrate our automation system, the so-called track motion. The track motion delivers the part from OP10 to OP20, and it also rotates the part between both operations. Finally, the track motion also gives us the possibility to add other EMAG machines coming from other EMAG technologies like gear hobbing or chamfer cutting, so that we are able to put these machines together to a very complex line coming out of the modular solution box.